Welcome to All-in-One SEO. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install add-ons for All-in-One SEO Pro. All-in-One SEO Pro has a number of add-ons that extend functionality of our plugin, including Image SEO, Link Assistant, and many others. And we may have more add-ons in the future. There are 3 different ways that you can install these add-ons to the All-in-One SEO Pro plugin. I'm on the plugins page right now. You can see the only plugin I have on this site is All-in-One SEO Pro. So I'm going to head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left, and I'm going to click on Feature Manager. So this is where you can install the other add-ons to the plugin, and different combinations of these add-ons are included with our different plans. You can check that out on our pricing page, but this is where you can install them from the Feature Manager. So if I want to install the Redirection Manager add-on, for example, I simply flip the toggle switch from deactivated to activated, and it will be installed in the background. So if I head back on over to the plugins page, we can see that the AIOSEO Redirects add-on has been installed. The second way that you can install these All-in-One SEO Pro add-ons are from splash screens. Splash screens are located throughout our plugin. I'm going to use the Image SEO splash screen as an example. So let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on Search Appearance. I'm going to click on the Image SEO tab up top, and this splash screen will come up telling us all about Image SEO. So if I click Activate Image SEO, it will install the Image SEO add-on in the background. And again, if I head on over to the Plugins section, we can see that now All-in-One SEO Image SEO, that add-on has been installed as well. The third and final way to install our All-in-One SEO Pro add-ons is to download them from our website and upload them manually from this plugin section here. So I'm going to head on over to the All-in-One SEO website. I'm going to click on My Account up top here. And then I'm going to click on the tab that says Downloads. And on this Downloads page, if we scroll pretty far down the page, we can see the individual add-ons here. So let's say I wanted the Video Sitemap add-on. I'm going to click the little download icon, and the add-on plugin will be downloaded as a zip file. And then back on the plugins page now, I'm going to click the button that says Add New, and then I'm going to click Upload Plugin, and I'm going to click Choose File and choose that add-on plugin that I just downloaded. Here it is, the AIOSEO Video Sitemap zip file for that plugin. I'm going to click Install Now. One more click on the Activate Plugin button. And as we can see, the Video Sitemap add-on has been installed. So that's how you install All-in-One SEO Pro add-ons in WordPress. If you have any other questions, go ahead and check out our documentation at aioseo.com/docs. If you don't find the answer to your question there, feel free to open a support ticket and we'll be happy to help you out.